Let us do some practice exercises. Sitaram Mahodaya. Now there are 5 blanks here. Now, so for the blank, you have to choose the right word. So you have to match the following actually. Balaha shalam dash pathanti.
Balaha shalam gatva pathanti.
Balaha shalam gatva pathanti. Aham lekhanim dash agachami.
Aham lekhanim kritva agachami.
Uttamam. Krishnaha navanitam vitarati.
Krishnaha navanitam chorayitva vitarati.
Uttamam. Sa abharanani nrityati.
Sa abharanani khalitva nrityati.
What is the meaning of skalitva and dhritva? Dhritva is to wear, skalitva is to shake.
Sorry.
Shake or drop.
Sa abharanani dhritva nrityati.
Shishuhu patati.
Shishuhu skalitva patati.
Skalitva patati. Uttamam. I think you have answered all the. Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada.
Veena Honnati. Now we have to join using the Twanta. Okay. Consider the first verb as the previous action and the second word as the next action.
Astu. Aham patham likhitva patham tadanantaram pathami. Aham likhitva pathami.
लिखित अत्र प्रथमपुरुषमेव उपयोगं कुर्मः. प्रथमपुरुषस्य उपयोगं कुर्मः. लिखित्वा पठति. Like that.
सः पाठं लिखित्वा पठति.
Next one.
सा शालां गत्वा क्रीणाति.
शालां गत्वा क्रीणाति. अस्तु.
सः गीतं श्रुत्वा जानाति. पृच्छति प्राप्नोति. सः कन्दुकं पश्यति. कन्दुकं दृष्ट्वा पृष्ट्वा प्राप्नोति.
सो किमपि अन्यत् कर्मपदं मा योजयतु. केवलं सः इति उक्त्वा करोतु. सः दृष्ट्वा पृष्ट्वा प्राप्नोति. एवं कर्तुं शक्यते. अन्तिमं स्थात्वा खादित्वा निद्राति. स्थित्वा खादित्वा निद्राति.
उत्तमं.
स्थित्वा खादित्वा निद्राति. धन्यवादाः. प्रगुण.
राम सर. सः कृत्वा नीत्वा विक्रीणाति.
कृत्वा नीत्वा विक्रीणाति. विक्रीणाति इत्युक्ते किम्?
he buys.
सः कृत्वा नीत्वा विक्रीणाति. अस्तु, धन्यवादाः. प्रगुण, you can continue.
आम् सर. जित्वा.
मीनिंग अपि वदतु, अर्थमपि वदतु. having one.
क्रीत्वा. having bought. Shrutva, having heard. Kritva, having done. Kshiptva, having thrown. Chitva, having separated.
Having cut or split. Chid chedane. Chid is to cut.
Astu sir. Drishtva, having seen.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः प्रगुण महोदय. रवि कुमार पेरी.
महोदय, सः उत्तमं वस्त्रं धरति कार्यालयं. सः उत्तमं वस्त्रं धरित्वा कार्यालयं गच्छति.
धृत्वा कार्यालयं गच्छति.
सा पुष्पाणि चिनोति गृहं नयति भगवते समर्पयति. सा पुष्पाणि चित्वा गृहं नीत्वा चित्वा ओके चित्वा गृहं नीत्वा भगवते समर्पयति.
So we should observe. We are just I will come back to this. See G, Kri, Shru, Kr, Kship, Chid, Jitva. So Chi will be Chitva. Like
Chitva.
that. That is why we do the practice and then go for the exercise.
Amadhya.
Next sentence.
रावणः सन्यासिनः वेषं धृत्वा सीतां हृत्वा अशोकवनम्
अनयत्. So Ravanah Sanyasinah Vesham Dhritva Sitam Hritva Ashokavanam Anayat. So I hope all of us can understand this meaning.
Aham grahakaryam kritva bahihi eshyami eshitva sangeetam shrutva pratyagamishyami.
So it is itva, bahihi itva. It is not eshitva. Itva. Eshyami itva. Sangeetam shrutva pratyagamishyami. So what is the meaning of the final sentence?
Having finished my homework, I went outside. Having gone eshyami.
Itva. Having gone outside.
Outside. Having listened to music, I came back.
I will come back. I shall come back.
I will come back. Agamishyami.
Dhanyawad
Mahodaya.
Uttam. It was a very challenging exercise. Very good. Usha Chandrasekharan.
Namaste ji. Pach Paktva. Vakyam vadami va?
न तद् अग्रे अभ्यासः अस्ति वक्तुं शक्यते.
त्यज त्यक्त्वा labdva.
You can tell the meaning also in English if possible.
Pach paktva is to cook.
Not to cook. Having cooked.
Having not to cook, having cooked. Tyaj tyaktva, having given up. Labdva, having got.
Okay.
Bid bitwa arthamaham na janami.
Bid is to split. You split the vegetable into two parts. So
split.
Krishna, Bhima splits Jarasandha into two parts. So that is Bhitva. Bitva
to split. Daktva, having split. Daktva, having burnt. Duktva, not sure ji.
Duh is to milk. Duktva, having milked the cow. Milk is having milked the cow.
Duktva, having milked the cow. Ruh. Rudhva.
Ruh is to climb.
Ruh is to having climbed. Having climbed. Lidva.
Liha aswadane. Liha is to lick. This cream biscuit, no, this children, they will lick the cream biscuit. We will all take the lehya and start licking the lehya. So that is lich. That is why lich lehya. So liha lidva, having licked. Licked.
Having licked. Vishtva. To having entered. Very
good.
Sruj, Srishtva.
Srishtva, having created.
To create, having created. Yes, Srishtva, having created.
So in Veda we have a Vakya. Tat Srishtva, Tadeva Anupravishat, Tat Srishtva. Having created the world, the Paramatma entered the world. Okay. Now we will go for the exercises. Srinivasan Iyer.
Pachati, gachati. So paktva, gachati.
Uttamam.
Bhitva, vrajati. Well, what is vrajati?
Vrajati, to go.
Okay.
Pashyati is a drish dhatu.
So drishtva. Drishtva yeti.
Uttamam.
Dugdhva, pratishtati.
Pratishthate.
Dagdhva it will come. Dagdhva.
No, dog,
Dugdhva only.
dogti. Dugdhva only. Dogti is to milk. Milk. Dugdhva pratisthate.
Having milked the cow.
He stands.
Leadva, nayati.
Leadva nayati. Having licked, he takes away. So, dhanyavadaha. Lakshyamrita. Can you read this?
Yes, sir. Jnatva, Ghratva.
What is the meaning? Jnatva?
Sir, Jnatva means to know. Ghratva, I don't know, sir.
Jnatva is having known.
Yes, sir.
Jna is to know. What is Jnatva mean?
Sir, Jnatva means to know, sir.
Jna means to know. Jnatva means having known.
Okay, sir.
Jna dhatu has got to know as the meaning. But when the pratyaya is added, you have to tell the meaning with the pratyaya.
Okay, sir.
Gra is to smell. So gratva will be
Having smell.
having smelt. Pa.
Yes, having pa. Patva.
This is pa rakshane dhatu, to protect, having protected.
Okay.
This is
So
pati.
pa means to protect. Patva means having having protected. Okay, sir.
Trai tratva.
Sir, I don't know what is the meaning of Trai.
Anybody knows what is the meaning of trai dhatu? To protect, having protected. Next one, Lakshyamrita.
Jai, Dhyatva.
Having meditated. Dhyai is to meditate. Having meditated. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Annapurna Nori. Annapurna Nori.
महोदय राम 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 दा दत्वा
having given
pa पीत्वा having drunk gai ga गीत्वा having sung stha sthitva having sit
having stood, having stayed or
having stood.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Annapurna Somayajulu.
Ram Ram, sir.
Ram Ram.
Gam gatva. Nam natva. Man matva. Han hatva. Damshtva.
What is the meaning?
I don't know, sir. Damshva karalanicha.
Damsh is to bite. To bite. So,
okay.
So having bitten.
Sorry. Badhva.
Meaning?
Kattadam.
Having tied.
Having tied.
Okay. Now, what is the meaning of matva?
Matva.
Is to to think.
To consider.
Consider. Having considered matva.
Natva means worship. Gatva means goes.
Having gone, having worshipped.
Having. Hatva means to kill.
Having killed.
Having killed.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad.
MC Shriram Mahodaya.
Namo Namaha.
this is a unique set of dhatus. So in the previous case, what happened? Gum, that ma and nakara, they were vanished. All the anunasika letters, they vanished when the twa pratyaya comes. So gatva, natva, matva, hatva, dashtva, badhva, the anunasika letter ma or na, they all vanished. And finally, the final form did not have the anunasika letter. So that is the point to be noted there. Now in these set of dhatus, what will happen in, if there is a yakara, it will become ukara. If there is a yakara, it will become ikara. If there is a vakara, it will become ukara. If there is a repha, it will become rikara.
Okay.
This is the reverse of end sandhi. The reverse of end sandhi. So ikara will become yakara in end sandhi. Ukara will become vakara in end sandhi. Rikara will become repha in end sandhi. However, in this set of dhatus, the reverse of yen happens. So this is called, the reverse of yen is called samprasarana. Now in this set of dhatus, we get the samprasarana when the twa pratyaya comes. Now vach is the dhatu. Can you read now?
Vach uktva. Ve va utva. Vah udva.
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 So what is the meaning of vach uktva?
Vach uktva, to speak or having spoken. Ve va utva. This I'm not sure, sir.
Okay. Vaha, what is vaha?
Vaha is to flow. Udva, having flown. Vas,
having flown or having carried. Vaha is to carry also. Bharam vahati.
Bharam, okay. Having carried. Vaha udva, flowed or having carried. Vas ushitva. Vas is to live, and ushitva would be having lived.
Okay. Next. Vad.
Vad, to tell. Uditva, having told.
Prach.
Prach, prishtva. Prach is to ask. Prishtva, having asked.
Next.
Griha, grihitva. Griha is to capture or engulf, and grihitva would be having
captured.
Engulfed.
Having captured.
Captured. The first word, the word, the veva, what is that?
So it is having soon. SEWN. You
Okay.
stitch, no? That,
Right.
that dhatu. Having.
So soon. Okay.
I don't know the English pronunciation
That's fine.
properly.
That's fine. That's fine. No, what you said is correct.
Soon. SEWN.
Right.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada.
Vijayalakshmi.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Patitva, having read. Vanditva, having namaste.
Having saluted.
Saluted. Architva, having archana done. Sorry.
Having worshipped.
Worshipped. Khaditva, having eaten. Kridva, having done.
Creed.
Creeditva, having played. Jeevitva, having living. Bhaditva, don't know, Mahodaya.
Bad, having obstructed.
Having obstructed. Dhavitva, having climbed.
No, dhavati is to run.
Having run. Ninditva, having scolded.
Scolded.
Rakshitva, having saved.
Protected. Saved or
protected. Yes.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada, Mahodaya.
Now using this Lata PL.
Ram Mahodaya.
Ah.
Khaditva gaccha. Tattva pashya. Prishtva likha. Likhitva pata. Patitva chintaya. Chintayitva vada.
Uttamam. Very good. Dhanyawadaha. Meenakshi Sham.
Ram sir.
Ram.
Chorayati chorayitva,
having stolen. Kathayati, kathayitva, having told the story.
Having said.
Having said this.
Said, that's all.
Okay. Tadayati, tadayitva, having beaten. Ganayati, ganayitva, having counted. Tolayati, tolayitva, having measured.
Dhanyavadaha. Now in the previous set khadit, in the previous set of dhatus that we had, patitva, vanditva, architva, khaditva, kriditva, jivitva, badhitva, dhavitva, ninditva. You see there is a e which is coming in between. Pat will become patitva. Twa is there, but it is not patatva. There is one ikara which is coming in all these dhatus. So we have to note where this ikara is coming.
Okay,
so,
sir.
In these cases that we saw now, chorayati, we have to be very careful. Chorayitva, kathayitva, that ikara is coming here also.
Okay, sir.
Now, dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Lata Vidyaranya.
Mahodaya. Ti shayitva.
What is the meaning?
Having slept.
Having slept.
Di dayitva. Having flown. Birds flying. No? Drut nartitva. Having danced. Vrid varditva. Having grown.
Having grown, having increased.
Okay, increased.
Now, Dhanyavada. Andrew Mohodaya.
Yes, sir.
Patitum shakyate va?
Yes. Likitva, lekitva.
Uttamam.
Militva, melitva.
What may be the meanings? Can you guess the meanings?
Likitva, having written. Militva is having gathered.
Having gathered. Militva, melitva is having gathered. Very good.
Klishitva, is it something to do with obstacles?
Yes.
Okay, so
having faced difficulties.
Having faced difficulties. Okay.
Kup.
Kupitva, kopitva, not sure.
Kopa, krodha, having become angry.
Having become angry, okay. Muditva, moditva, having rejoiced.
Rejoiced, very good.
Pushitva, poshitva, having nourished.
Nourished, pampered, very good. Pushitva, poshitva. Now here you have two forms, likitva, lekitva, militva, melitva, klishitva, kleshitva, kupitva, kopitva, muditva, moditva, pushitva, poshitva. So we have to understand that. Can you read this, Andrew Mohodaya?
Bhuktva tranani shushkani kitva toyam jalashayat dugdam dadati lokebhyaha gavo vishwasya mataraha.
Uttamam. Bhuktva tranani shushkani pitva toyam jalashayat dugdhan dadati lokebhyaha gavo vishwasya mataraha. The cows are said to be the mothers of the world. All the cows are the mothers of the world because they give milk to the entire world. How do they give milk? Trinani shushkani bhuktva, having eaten the dry grass and having drunk the water from the lake. Jalashayat toyam pitva, having drunk the water from the lake. The cows, they give milk to the whole world. Therefore, they are considered to be mother of the whole world. So this finishes the Tva Pratyaya, a study of the Tva Pratyaya. Next, in the next class, we will study the Lep Pratyaya and other Pratyayas.